What's going on, Hangout Games? Crypto Crane back here again, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there celebrating parenthood. Wanted to give a special thanks out to you. I am a father myself. I am celebrating the day as well, and I wanted to give a shout out to all you fathers. So I wanted to give a quick video real quick while I'm taking a break from the little festivities that we are doing here in my house. And I wanted to go over the Bitcoin charts here. As you can see, this is the Bitcoin market cap dominance chart. As you can see, that upward trend line, upward channel right there where Bitcoin flew up, and then it went sideways out of that, and then it rose back up because you had the 21 crossing the 50 and the 200, which is a golden cross. And as you can see, the money started flowing into Bitcoin. As you can see, the RSI is oversold, so you know, a lot of money is flowing into Bitcoin. So I expect for it to pull back a little bit. Let's look at this daily chart for the Bitcoin dominance, and as you can see, all this green, you're gonna need some more red, so it's probably going to chop here sideways a little bit. As you can see, RSI is looking terrible, so it needs to come down a little bit. So I suspect it'll come back down towards this 48.9 on the dominance chart. And let's go ahead and look at the Bitcoin chart, the Bitcoin daily. So this is the Bitcoin daily chart right here. As you can see, that 21 still on the daily chart is still below the 50 right here, right? 21 is that white SMA, and then the 50 SMA is right here, and it's still below the 50. As you can see, this ceiling right here, $26,603 was a ceiling, and as you see, Bitcoin had a pullback right here. Let's go look at the 4-hour chart. You got the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. As you can see, had that 21 cross right there on that death cross, and price action came down. Now 21's crossing the 50, so you saw a little price action move up a little bit. Now you saw resistance right here at the 26,592, and Bitcoin needs to break through there now. It needs to produce a higher high than 27,440 this week in order for it to be a reversal or a pivot. Okay, so remember, it needs to be a high of 27,440. It needs to create another high of 2740, and then another high of above 28 before you have a pivot. All right. Now it looks good right here because the 21 is crossing the 50 right here, and it's crossing that the 80, and it's going across the 200. So we may have a little bit of price action movement above this right here, and that 26,590 may turn into a price floor. RSI is oversold. It's at 60.57, and the MACD is looking terrible. So expect price action to come back down, as you can see right here in the 4-hour chart. So look at the hour chart, and as you can see, that 21 crossed that 50 price and pushed the price action upwards today. So that's why you saw that price action going. As you can see, this is right here started on Friday, and you can see that price action going. Now it's chopping sideways as it hit the resistance of that ceiling of $26,646. All right, RSI has fell down to 41, needs to fall back down to around the 34, 32 level before you hear a reversal and see price action move back upwards. All right, MACD is looking, it's not looking too good. So like I said, price action should be coming back down. Now let's take a look at, let's see here, Ethereum. Actually, let's take a look at the altcoin market chart, market cap, and as you can see, altcoins are bleeding because that money was going into the Bitcoin. Altcoins are bleeding, but you have a cross right here, so I suspect money should flow in altcoin. This is the hour chart. Look at the 4-hour chart for the altcoin chart. As you can see, that 21 right here had a death cross over here on June the 5th. And as you see, all the money flew out of altcoins and into Bitcoin, and the money is continuing to flow out of altcoins. And you can see price action is coming down. All right, money flow is coming down. You have a lot of money flowing in there. All right, now let's take a look at Ethereum. I said, let's see here. This is Ethereum, and as you can see, Ethereum was in a downward channel, broke out of the downward channel, and it's chopping a little bit. You have that 21 trying to pull up. Okay. Now I suspect Ethereum come down here and touch that 17K marker, but you know, it's going to trade in between 17.24 and 17.66. All right, it's chopping in between that range. It's ranging. Let's look at that hour chart, and as you can see, that it broke out and it's ranging, chopping. That 21 is getting ready to cross back across that 50. If it goes down, price action is going to come back down towards that 1700 mark. Okay, keep that in mind. RSI is coming down, so it needs to come down some more before it pivots. and the MACD is not looking too bad, too terrible. Not a lot of sell volume, a lot of buy volume is about the same. This is the daily. Let's look at the daily right here. This is the daily Ethereum daily, and as you can see, price action broke out of that downward trend line right there, and it's chopping. Okay, you got a lot of sell pressure today. RSI is at 44, and the MACD is not looking. It's looking decent. All right. So keep in mind, we are giving away $50 worth of Bitcoin every Monday to a random commenter on a random video. We'll pick a random video and a random comment, and we will give away $50 worth of Bitcoin. You must be a subscriber and like or dislike the video. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you think about it. You know, if you like the video, if you didn't like the video, what you thought about what we said inside of the video, and you could increase your chances of winning the Bitcoin. So that will take place tomorrow, and we will do that tomorrow. And so good luck to everybody that's going. And for those that listen to us on Spotify, on iTunes, Amazon Music, and Pandora, we will try to come up with something for you guys as well. All right, so until the next video, this is Crypto Crane, and again, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Signing out. Peace.